this project was fiscally positive or negative to Collier County government. Okay? In that projection, in that document, you make certain projections. Clearly ours are different. But at the end of the day, Ave Maria is a net fiscal positive to Collier County, period, end of story. It is on an operating, which means we pay more in taxes here than we get back in government services, period, to the tune of about $400,000, okay? And if you think I'm wrong, okay, we have our own water and sewer, we maintain our own roads, we maintain our own parks, okay? So we have very little government expenditures. From a capital side, because of the things that we've done, we have been exceptionally positive on the capital side as well. Now, one commissioner today questioned the value of a land donation for the road right away, and questioned whether or not the value that was prescribed for that land 5 years ago by Collier County, okay, was accurate in light of today's circumstances. Doesn't mean that we're not fiscally positive. It doesn't mean that our books are being audited. The way these fiscal impacts work is they take the number of households, the number of people, the number of students, the number of fire, sheriff, EMS trips, and they plug it into the county budget. It's a mathematical formula. It's like a big Excel spreadsheet. So they take county budget, they take expenses and revenues, and they say positive or negative. That's it. That's pretty much the extent of it. So to think that our books are being audited is wrong. Again, go back to what I said. 1 second, Carlos. Just go back to what I said at the beginning. If the short-term fiscal issues were our concern, why would I be committing $10 million to this project? Why would I be giving away as much land as we are if I was worried about